Okay, here's a little update on this engine. I got all the shrouding back on and everything. No carburetor yet. But good news is, it is a runner. Because I just put a little gas down here and it fired right up. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. And you would just hold the camera. Oh, I'm gonna leave that in there. Alright. Watch this. Dude, get your ass away from me. Oh, holy shit! See, it popped over a little bit, so that means it runs. Here's some smoke, but I don't know what was making more noise, that engine or his ass.